online solo dancing course, and this is a good reference because we've noted all of our solo routines that we've taught and we've catalogued them all with numbers to make it nice and easy. So without further ado, remember I broke this down a lot slower in the main classes. If you didn't attend the main class, I apologise if this goes a little bit too quickly. It's just supposed to be a little bit of a check back for anyone that was in the class. So we're going to take a mambo first. 1, 2, 3, cha, 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 6, 7, 8 and 1. Now I'm going to go to the left corner and the right corner for a V mambo. 2, 3, cha, 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 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Double front tap, left and right. Tap, tap, back ball change. Tap, tap, back ball change. Half right and then half left turn. Left, right, cha, cha, cha. Right, left, cha, cha, cha. Side basic with a Susie Q. Side and cha, cha, cha. Side and cha, cha, cha. The cha of the cha-cha-cha at the end of that bar, which is the 1, becomes the first step of our next move, which was the New York Flair. So I've already stepped across on 1 at the end of that side Susie. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now I'm going to do a little toe heel in place. Toe, heel, cha, cha, cha. Toe, heel, cha, cha, cha. Let me just check that timing again. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Do apologise, step across on 1 on the right foot. Toe, heel, cha, cha, cha. Toe, heel, cha, cha, cha. Walking back, walk, 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 walk. Tap, step, step. Susie Q, Susie Q, Susie Q, Susie Q. Now I'm going to repeat that 2 or 3 more times. I'm going to keep calling it out. Basic. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. 6, 7, corner and 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. 6, 7, double front tap. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Right turn halfway. Cha, cha, cha. Half left. Cha, cha, cha. Side basic Susie Q. Side basic Susie Flair. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Toe, heel, cha, cha, cha. Toe, heel, cha, cha, cha. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Susie Q, Susie Q, Susie Q and Susie Q. One last time. Go a little bit slower maybe. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Cha, cha, cha. 6, 7, V mambo. 2, 3. Cha, cha, cha. 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3. Cha, cha, cha. 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6, 7, 8 and 1. Turn round. Cha, cha, cha. Turn round. Cha, cha, cha. Side and Susie Q. Side and Susie Q. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Toe, heel, cha, cha, cha. Toe, heel, cha, cha, cha. Back, 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 back. Tap, tap. Susie Q, Susie Q, Susie Q, Susie Q. And that was it. That completes our solo routine 2 on our beginners club style cha-cha course. I will see you in the next video.